yeah, it's me, and if you're wondering why my hair is all, like, flat, or slightly curvy, it's because, like, I took a shower, and I still haven't dried my hair, so yeah. Anyways, so, just gonna show you random crap in my room. Yeah. Anyways. Okay. This is a book, and it's really good, even though I'm, like, only on page, hang on, page 28. I don't know if you can see that, but that's 28. So, don't really know what it's about yet, and, purse that I never used. Oh yeah, and lots of you know that my Converse broke and there's like a hole in it now, but I fixed it. I didn't fix the hole because there's still a hole, but you know me, anything can be fixed with duct tape. So, watch this. This is my fixed Converse. And those are staples because the duct tape wouldn't stay on the shoe. So, I stapled the duct tape to the shoe. Yeah, but anyways, gotta flatten this out. But yeah, so anyways, oh, and I figured out how to get my dad's stereo working. So, I've, like, pretty much all day I've been listening to, All Time Low, duh, and Owl City, yeah. Also got a Katy Perry CD for the holidays, but, like, I haven't opened it and put it in yet because, like, I'm saving that. But yeah, tonight I gotta babysit, so, like, I won't get to listen to it tonight. And if you hear the music in the background, that's All Time Low, so just if you're, like, wondering. Oh, yeah. That's Clarice's new case, see? Right there. Let me unzoom it. But, yeah. That's the duct tape I use. That's the shoelace, because if you notice, it's not laced up. This is the duct tape I originally used, but I found out that gray duct tape actually holds stuff together better than colorful ones. Phone. Computer. Picture of a brain. Christmas tree we still haven't taken down yet. Fuzzy thing. But yeah, so, anyways, just, yeah.